Hello guys, welcome back to Take the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to share GitHub repository link. So first thing you have to do is open up your browser and search for GitHub, and you have to log in to your GitHub. Once you sign into your GitHub, you click on your profile and you're going to have a drop down. Click on profile. Once you click on your profile, you're going to select any of the repository you want to share. Click on it. Right? Once you click on it, you're going to see a code right above the repository you want to share. Click on code and you're going to have a drop down. So you're going to see a HTTPS, SSH, and GitHub CLL. You click on this because this is a link. You can just copy the link right here, and once you copy the link, you can go to whatever social media platform you want to share it to and just paste it right there and you share it. So this is literally how to share your GitHub repository link. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more input tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.